Welcome to this visual proof of the area of a circle. Here we have a circle with a radius r. We know the formula for its area is pi times r squared. But why? Step 1. Let's divide the circle into 8 equal pie-shaped sectors. It will look like this, as you can see in this figure. Now we divide it into 16 sectors to make more sectors. Then we divide into 32 sectors, or 64 sectors. The curved edges become almost perfectly smooth. Step 2. Let's fit together these sectors, facing up and down, to form a new shape. As the number of sectors increases, this shape approaches a perfect rectangle. The height of this rectangle is simply the radius, r, and the total width is exactly half the circumference of the circle, which is pi times r. Now we have a rectangle with width pi times r and height r. The area of a rectangle is just its width times its height, so multiplying pi times r by r gives us our final formula, pi r squared. And there's your visual proof.